Hi students, welcome to the class. Today I am going to discuss the exercise 14.4, the chapter Mensuration, your textbook, Math Says by Pearson, chapter number 14. We are going to do the problems based on the LSF cuboid and TSF cuboid, LSF cube and TSF cube. So before going to do this exercise, you learn these formulas thoroughly. LSF cuboid equal to 2 into BH plus 2 into LH. LSA means lateral surface area of a cuboid. It's equal to 2 BH plus 2 LH. This you can write as 2H into L plus B. TSF cuboid is equal to 2 BH plus 2 LH plus 2 LB. TSA means total surface area of cuboid. That means lateral surface area plus bottom area plus top area. That is TSA of cuboid is equal to 2 BH plus 2 LH plus 2 LB. Now LSA of cube. What is the difference between cuboid and cube? In cube all sides are equal. Cuboid length, breadth and height are different. So cube all sides are equal. So lateral surface area of cube is equal to 4 into side square and total surface area of cube is equal to 6 into side square. Our first question is find the surface area. If length equal to 14 cm, breadth equal to 10 cm and height equal to 9 cm. So we have to find out the TSA of cuboid. Length, breadth, height are given. So TS is equal to, by our formula, 2BH plus 2LH plus 2LB. You substituting the formula, L equal to 14, B equal to 10 and H is equal to 9. And after simplification, we will get total surface area of cuboid equal to 712 centimeter square. Now second question, a cuboid of length 400 centimeter, breadth 220 centimeter and height 120 centimeter is to be made. Find the cost of polishing the box if the rate of polishing is rupees 24 per meter square. Here the length of cuboid, breadth of the cuboid and height of the cuboid, three measurements are given, and the cost of polishing the box. So we have to polish the box. That means we have to polish all surface of the cube. So what we will find? We have to find out the total surface area of the cuboid. So using the formula TSA equal to 2BH plus 2LH plus 2LB, we can find the total surface area. So after simplification we got it's equal to 3,24,800 centimeter square is the total surface area of this cuboid. But here the cost is given as rate of polishing is 24 per meter square. Here our TSA is in centimeter square, but here it is given as rate of polishing is given as 24 per meter square. So you have to change the TSA in meter square. How will you change the TSA in meter square? To change centimeter square to meter square, you have to divide this by 10,000. So to change centimeter square to meter square, you divide by 10,000. So 3,24,800 centimeter square dividing by 10,000, we will get 32.48 meter square. So we got the total surface area in meter square. Now you can multiply. Total cost is equal to TSA into cost per meter square. So you multiply, then you will get 779.52 rupees is the cost for polishing. Now our third question, a cube has a lateral surface area of 64 square meter. Find the total surface area of the cube. Here the lateral surface area is given. To get the total surface area, we know the formula of cube. The total surface area of cube is equal to 6 into side square. So to get this total surface area, first you have to find out the side. From the lateral surface area, you can find the side of the cube. So lateral surface area equal to 64 meter square. That means 4 into side square equal to 64. Side square equal to 64 by 4, it's equal to 16. That means 16 equal to 4 into 4. Therefore side equal to 4 meter. So we got the side as 4 meter. Now what is the formula for TSA? TSA is equal to 6 into side square. So 6 into 4 square. So 6 into 16, it's equal to 96 meter square. Now fourth one, a room has the dimensions of 8 meter into 6 meter into 4 meter. Find the cost of paint required to paint the walls of the room if the cost of paint is rupees 80 per square meter. Here the dimensions of room are given. And the question is the cost of paint required to paint the walls. We have to paint only the walls. So the walls, what we will do? We have to find out the lateral surface area of the wall, lateral surface area of the room. So we need to paint only the walls. So you use the formula lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2h into L plus B. Here L is 8 cm, B is 6 cm, L is 8 meter, B is 6 meter, H is equal to 4 meter. You substitute, you will get 8 into 14 is equal to 112 meter square. So lateral surface area equal to 112 meter square. We got lateral surface area. Here the cost per square meter is equal to rupees 80. So to get total cost, you multiply lateral surface area into cost per square meter. It's equal to 112 into 80. It's equal to 8,960 rupees. Our next question is, the total surface area of a cuboid is 120 square meter. If the length and breadth of the cuboid are equal and height is 2 meter, find the length and breadth. Here the total surface area of the cuboid is given. It is 120 square meter. And length and breadth are equal and height is different. Height is given as 2 meter. Our question is, find the length and breadth. So TSA of cuboid is equal to 120 meter square. Take length equal to breadth equal to x. Now you substitute the value in the formula of TSA, total surface area. It's equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Equal to what is given? It is 120. So you substitute for L equal to x and breadth equal to x. So 2 into x plus x into 2 plus x into 2 equal to 120. So 2 into x square plus 2x equal to 120. So after simplification we will get x square plus 4x equal to 60. That you will get. And taking this 60 to this side, we will get x square plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. This is a second degree equation. So you learned that how to factorize a second degree equation. You use splitting the middle term method, or you can use the formula you can use the identity x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. That formula also you can use, but here I used the splitting the middle term method. So here 4x I wrote it as 10x minus 6x. So x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 equal to 0. And in the first I took x is outside, so x into x plus 10 minus 6 into x plus 10 equal to 0. Here x plus 10 is common, so I took x plus 10 outside, so x minus 6 into x plus 10 equal to 0. So I got the value of x as 6 or x equal to minus 10. But minus 10 I cannot take because it is negative. Negative value will not be the measurement of a length or breadth. So I took x equal to 6. So x equal to 6 as the length. So the value of length equal to breadth equal to 6 meter. Our next question. A swimming pool is to be made with the walls having blue tiles and the floor having white tiles. That means the swimming pool, the walls with blue tiles and floor white tiles. The breadth, length and depth of the pool are 4 meter, 8 meter and 2 meter respectively. The measurement of swimming pool are given. It is 4, 8 and 2. Length 8, breadth 4 and depth equal to 2 meter. Find the number of blue and white tiles required if they cover a surface area of 1.5 square meter and 2 square meter respectively. That is, the area of the blue tile is 1.5 square meter and the area of white tile is equal to 2 square meter. So we have to find out the number of blue tiles and number of white tiles. So length equal to 8 meter, breadth equal to 4 meter, depth equal to 2 meter. These are the measurements of the swimming pool. For walls, in the question it is given that blue tiles. So find the area, lateral surface area. Wall means you have to find out for the walls, we have to find out the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area equal to 2h into L plus B. It's equal to 2 into 8 plus 4. It's equal to 48 meters square. So for the walls, that means the area of the walls equal to 48 meters square. And area of the blue tile is given as 1.5 meters square. So to get the number of tiles or number of blue tiles, you have to divide the lateral surface area by area of a blue tile. So 48 by 1.5, we will get 32 tiles. So number of blue tiles to cover the walls of the swimming pool equal to 32 tiles. Now for floor white tiles, we need white tiles, and the area of the white tile is 2 square meter, and the wall and the floor area is equal to, it's L into B. L into B, it's equal to 8 into 4, it's equal to 32 meters square. The area of the floor equal to 32 meters square, and area of the white tile, it is given as 2 square meter. So to get the number of white tiles, area of the floor divided by area of the white tile is equal to 32 by 2, it's equal to 16 tiles. So to cover the floor, we need 16 white tiles. To cover the wall, we need 32 blue tiles. Thanks for watching, students.